In 2020, my sister and I inherited the house that we grew up in. Having lived here all of our lives, we understood that it needed lots of updates in terms of redoing the floors, improving the layout of the house, and just general facelift in order to be able to put it on the market.
My name is Shiloh. I'm working with DCON Renovation as a project manager. It was an absolute pleasure working with Julian and Bradley on this project, conversion of a single-family house to two-family house.
Choosing a contractor was always a difficult process. After looking extensively at the quality of their work, we decided to move forward with DCON.
In order to keep to our schedule and the client's budget, especially when it comes to change order, we document everything and working alongside with the client to find the best suitable solution for the project.
David and his team worked quickly to provide a plan and the proper permits to ensure that our project stayed on track. The team provided good options of quality materials to ensure that we stay within budget.
After demolition, we discovered the option of relocating the bathroom to create a better living space. When presenting it to the client, they were very excited to move forward with it.
When the project was completed, we were thrilled with the transformation. The open concept for the living room and the kitchen were exactly what we were looking for. We were so impressed with the work by DCON, we decided to keep the house. We highly recommend DCON for anyone planning to renovate their home.